How to add Forza Horizon 6 to Steam library on PC. Microsoft Store Xbox app version. 1. Open Steam on your PC. Launch the Steam application. Log into your Steam account. Wait for the library to load fully. 2. Click Add a Game. Look at the bottom left corner of Steam. Click Add a Game. Select Add a non-Steam game. 3. Search for Forza Horizon 6. Check if Forza Horizon 6 appears in the list. Tick the checkbox beside the game. Click Add Selected Programs. 4. If the game does not appear, click Browse inside Steam. Navigate to the Xbox apps or game shortcut location. Select the Forza Horizon 6 launcher or shortcut. 5. Create a desktop shortcut. Open Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Right-click Forza Horizon 6. Create a desktop shortcut for easier adding. 6. Add the shortcut to Steam. Return to add a non-Steam game. Browse to the desktop shortcut location. Add the shortcut into your Steam library. 7. Rename the game in Steam. Right-click the added shortcut in Steam. Select Properties. Rename it to Forza Horizon 6 if needed. 8. Enable Steam Overlay. Open Steam Properties for the game. Enable Steam Overlay. Save the changes before launching. 9. Launch the game through Steam. Open Steam Library. Click Play on Forza Horizon 6. Wait for Xbox services to launch automatically. 10. Use UWPHook if Steam cannot detect the game. Download and install UWPHook utility. Scan installed Microsoft Store Xbox games. Export Forza Horizon 6 directly into Steam library.